Imran Khan has had his sentence suspended in what was considered the most likely outcome ever since the Supreme Court had itself observed that it was a prima facie bad decision by the trial court and it was missing out from the fundamental requirements of due process and fair trial. The same had been echoed by the Islamabad High Court, so the only real surprise here was that it took this long for the judgment to be suspended. I think regardless of the merits of the case against Imran Khan, the trial was very poorly conducted, due process rights were denied to him, and the judge really was in a hurry. And it reflected in the standard of judgment, which has become a pattern in Pakistan, where politically motivated cases, no matter their strengths, no matter how strong they are taken to illogical and hurried conclusions, which then make them testaments to the lack of justice and due process when history is recorded. An example can be taken from the investigations against hastily, which resulted in severe allegations but could not be culminated in a proper trial, as well as the allegations against Nawaz Sharif and his family, which resulted in severe allegations which were serious enough and were not answered thoroughly by the family with regards to their assets and the means by which they procured them. Yet the manner in which the trials were conducted left a gaping hole through which their lawyers exploited the shortcomings in the system, and they were rightly freed. Pakistan is now seeing a latest chapter in these politically motivated cases, or cases which are motivated other than a quest to do justice for the people. And we are seeing it once again be proceeded with in a manner that is not only unjustifiable, but rather foolhardy and ham-fisted. Imran Khan is supposedly back in judicial custody in another case which we have only just learnt of, and these round-robin kind of attempts at making a mockery of an already failing judicial system and a process of investigation have been exposed recently by Justice Sattar in a judgment with regards to Shahryar Afridi, where the same methods were being applied for him. This is not process, this is not justice, this is not investigation. Everyone knows it for what it is, everyone can see it for what it is, and it leaves the country weaker, it leaves the rule of law weaker, and it leaves us all staring at each other with shrinking social and political space, and there are no beneficiaries here, there are only losers.